To sum it up, support the young scientists. They really know what to do. They need support. Invest in the bandwidth. It will be a big investment for Nigeria for the bandwidth. Whether you're a social scientist or biological scientist or in the defense, in the armies or accounting and banking, the bandwidth is the way to go. Because so much now is in public domain, it's free if you have the bandwidth to get it. One thing, this one is not from me. I'm in NISER here, I have to defend myself. I see Ayola is giving me a bad eye. I took this from the meeting of the heads of states. It was actually started by the NEPAD. And they're saying we have enough analysis about Africa. They were actually addressing donors, because donors love to send teams here to do analysis about Africa. We know our problems, we know what to do. And heads of states were saying, so Ayola, you cannot attack me because I'm just the messenger on this one. We need more implementation. And then we need to build that defense against biological threats. And then convert the post-harvest losses to post-harvest profits. Your partners. Now I get into a lot of trouble with this one. I'm saying these are the partners of the world. I don't know if you can read back there, so I'll read it for you. This is United Nations groups, the FAOs and so on, and NGOs, international NGOs. This is the international categories, these two. External lenders, this would be foreign banks, etc. These are, the green part here are the national groups. I'm saying, unless you are Somalia or post-conflict country like Liberia or Sierra Leone, you don't need these external groups. You need to depend more on the national groups. The leaders in the country, the institutions, banks, research, universities, governments, etc. And then let these guys in agriculture, these guys, agribusiness producers, this is farmers and other entrepreneurs. So for Nigeria, you're definitely here, not here. You're wasting time with these guys. Please remember this one diagram. Just one. If you have to remember only one thing today, remember this one diagram. I am saying produce up to subsistence needs. Now Nigeria has already done that. Some countries have not, but Nigeria is way past this. And then move it to other forms and other uses. The processing, transformation, etc. When I drew this diagram in 2004, all of IITA was laughing at me. They said, this little childish diagram, what would it do? But we have tested this model over and over. Big countries, small countries. It's stable, it's robust, it works. Few have no role in the kind of agriculture that I see. Whether you're a farmer, a youth, man, woman, researcher, policeman, banker, politician, processor, transporter, input provider, advertiser, wholesaler, retailer, health professional, engineer, logician, software programmer, even lawyers. I put lawyers in here. In the States, lawyers don't do any good, so we are very allergic to lawyers.
They can be useful in agrarian law.
All segments of society in a country can find their place in an agriculture transformation. All. Our research program at the University in Florida, where I used to be, was funded by NASA, space program. So I challenge anybody. Does anybody here not see themselves in agriculture?
No.
Anybody, if I can see a hand, anybody who thinks they could not fit into agriculture in some form? Huh? Thank you. If we do this, ladies and gentlemen, If we contribute to the agriculture transformation, all Nigerians will benefit. All Nigerians will benefit. Small, young, old, rural, urban. And why not? You have been so well endowed. The land masses, the entrepreneurship, the population, the dynamism, the love for education. There is no reason whatsoever. Thank you very much.